Are you tired of being constantly bullied by the fried liver attack? In this video I will show you how to fry their liver in return using the Traxler Counterattack. This opening has a 65% win rate on the 6th move and is not for the heedful or lacking in fortitude. This opening is only for those who want to win, no matter the detriment. In spite of that, if you throw away everything to win a chess game, here is the opening. We start with a normal fried liver, but instead of stopping the opponent from forking, we ignore the threat and bring our bishop to the center. They take the pawn on f7 to forecast, but we ignore that as well, and play the brilliant move. Bishop takes f2 check. They take the hanging bishop. We continue to harass the king with checks and take the pawn on e4. From here the game will go one of two ways. They will either go back to e1 or bring their king to the center. If they go back to e1 we've already won the game, and we have a 79% win rate after we bring the queen to h4. If they move their king we have mate, so they block with their pawn. We take the pawn with our knight. They will either take back or take the rook on h8. For now, let's focus on them taking the rook. Focus very intently on this mating pattern because you can use it for a lot of lines in the opening whenever I say we have mate. We play knight e4 check. They go to e2. Queen f2 check. They go to d3. We move our knight to c5 with check. They bring their king to c3, and we finish them off with queen d4 checkmate. If they don't blunder mate and take the knight, we take their rook. If they don't block with the bishop, we can win their queen playing knight d4 check, and after they move, we can take their queen for free. If they instead block with the bishop, after we castle, we have a 95% win rate. If they move their hanging knight, we take the bishop of f1 with checkmate. Instead, they play queen e2, and we move the queen with knight d4. When they save their queen, we have made 11 and mate 13. I won't show this because it will take too long, but feel free to plug it into Stockfish to see for yourself. Now if we go way back and they play king e3, we play queen e4. Half of the time they blunder mate by taking the rook to show. Instead of blundering mate, they try and boot your queen by pushing the pawn. We sacrifice our knight, and after they take back, we play queen d4 check. They go to e2, we take the bishop and then the knight, and we are completely winning. If they bring their king to f3, we castle and they play d3, we play d5 and we have an 85% win rate, and you can win from there. This defense is never played, and I can never understand why. If you want to add an offensive gambit to your arsenal, I recommend watching my video on Garry Kasparov's favorite opening.